Hello everybody, just a small help again. I just thought of creating this video so that it can help you in your assignment. So I'm just going to take the data of Honeywell automation, and here you can see that I am at money control website, right? And I'm not going to take quarterly data, but you have to take it quarterly data, right? So just wanted to show you this step so you can take it the quarterly data from here, right? But I just only take one small demo to demonstrate that what exactly you have to do. So I simply copy this link and I'll put that into my Power BI. I've pasted this URL. So within few seconds I'll get few data points. So I'm not going to paste each and every URL. I'm just showing you a small demo. You keep on making your dataset bigger one by copy and pasting different links, right? So let the data arrive here. Yes, so now you can see that I've got my data, right? So I can use this data. I'll take this, transform this data, and you can see that my data set is here, right? So I just want to make these columns look like column names, right? So what I'll do, I'll just simply transpose this data. So I'll do one thing, I'll transpose this, and you can see now that everything transposed, but the column name are different, right? Column 1, column 2. So what I'll do, I'll click here and I'll make use the first row as header, right? So now you can see that the first row is in the form of header, right? And my dataset has got some null values and also some of the columns which I don't have to use. So I'll simply remove these errors first. So I'll simply click on view section and click on column quality so that you can see the column quality here. Then I hover over this particular column. I'll remove the errors. Then I'll remove empty. So now you can see that my data set is somewhat clean. Few of the columns I don't require, so I'll simply keep on removing them. So whatever is null and whatever field is empty, I don't require it. So I'll simply do what? I'll simply remove those fields, right? So similarly you also just remove the columns which are of no value to you. So this has got value. So you can see that I'm just removing the column which is of no value to me, and this is a very small data set, right? So you have to create a bigger data set here. So create a bigger data set by pasting different links, right? So go in your home section and then get data, right? And you paste every time, you just paste different links and get the data set, right? The way I have done it for my first data set, right? And then simply transpose this. So in go here in transform section and then transpose it. So whatever is your rows, that will become the column, right? And then make the first row as an header so that your all the column will become what? The column name of your table. And then simply remove all the null values or empty column simply by clicking here and then remove columns. So I am just cleaning my data, right? And just removing the column which is of no value to me. So, so similarly you also remove all the columns. At the end what is being left is the data part, right? So this even the table is very smaller one. So what I suggest is that you make a bigger uh, table, so that your data means something when you try to interpret it. So I'm simply removing the empty columns here. So here I am. I have just deleted all the columns which has got no values, and even I have removed the error and empty cells. So now my dataset is cleaned, clear, and has got values. So I'll simply copy this entire table and I'll put that into my Excel. So I'll do Control V, and then so now you can see that my headers are ready. So now I'll just create and give a table name to it, as the way we have done for creating a dashboard. So I'll simply click over home, and then I'll go for format table. I'll take its range, my table as header, and now you can see that my this table has got a name. So let me put the table name as Honeywell, because I have taken the data of Honeywell, and I have hit enter. Now I'll go to that of insert, because I have to create pivot table and pivot chart. So from table, a new worksheet. Yes, I want a new worksheet. My table name is Honeywell, right? So I'll click on OK. And now I have got all these column names of my table, right? So I'll take it for days as one of the rows, and then whatever you want. Suppose I take another parameter as total assets, let's suppose. So now you can see that one of the pivot table is being created, and I just wanted to create a chart out of it, and you can see that one of the chart is now ready. Similarly, you have to find out other KPIs, right? So to find out other KPIs, what you have to do, simply just, so this is one of the charts. So if I'll do this, I can have one of the chart. So for finding out other KPIs, simply take the first column, right? Copy it, and then go to that of your ChatGPT, and simply put all the column names that you have given, right? And then ask what KPIs you can generate it for me, right? So it will give you all the KPIs, that whatever you can generate it more, right? So I have written what, find the KPIs in the given field, and these are the column names. So it has given me all the other KPIs that I can draw in my assignment. So I hope so that this video again will going to be a help for you. Thank you so much.